Hey guys, my name's David, and on this episode I'll be showing you the process of refinishing an indoor kitchen table to be an outdoor table. Now, I just picked up this kitchen table for free and I'm going to be resealing it with fire. So I'm going to be doing a Shou Sugi Ban, or a fire seal technique, which is a Japanese style of sealing wood with a giant torch. And within this video I'll be showing you how it's lasted over a year. So I actually did this almost a year ago, and now I'll show you the final result. So it's been almost a full year now, so you can see the final result of how this Shou Sugi Ban is held up on this kitchen table outdoors. So you can see over a year it's held up quite well, except some of the boards kind of split a bit. But I mean, these do actually fold down. They're just warped a little bit, so that's why this is like this. You can see underneath there's actually a board missing in here right now, but I mean, aside from that, it looks great, and it's just slightly wobbled. There's one split there, but overall, for a free table, can't complain. So hope you enjoyed this episode and learned a little bit. Why not check out this other video, and until the next one, have a great day.